Hello everyone, today's math challenge is about the mobile phone PIN puzzle, which is a small logic question. A mobile phone has PIN of 4 digits. I'm sure it is an old style one, but it is not important here. I have tried 5 times, but without any success. If someone tells me that for each attempt, actually I have input 2 numbers correctly, but unfortunately they all appear at the wrong places. For example, if the correct PIN for this mobile is 12 something something and I input something something 21, so that means 1 and 2 are the correct numbers but just appear at the wrong places. And below are the numbers I have input over these 5 trials. So from here, can you work out the correct PIN based on the information? Hopefully this question is not too hard, and if you can employ the logic thinking skills, maybe you can solve it shortly. Okay, you can pause this video here and we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answer together. Firstly, let's list all the numbers from these 5 attempts. And it is fairly easy. From this list, you can see the number 3 and 5, they have appeared at all 4 different places. And based on the description of this question, no right number has appeared at the right place. That means the number 3 and 5, they cannot be in the PIN, and we can rule them out. And next, based on the last 4 combinations, we can easily see, for example, in the 5th attempt, because there are 2 correct numbers inside, and they must be 1 and 2. From the 4th attempt, the correct numbers must be 2 and 8. From the 3rd attempt, they must be 1 and 8. And from the 2nd attempt, they must be 1 and 7. So that means the correct numbers for the PIN can only be 1, 2, 7, and 8. And this can be consolidated from the first attempt because we can see the number 7 and 8 here. Okay, so the next step is to determine the correct places for these 4 numbers, 1, 2, 7, and 8. Firstly, let's have a look at the 2nd, 3rd, and 5th attempts. Okay, because number 1 has appeared at the 2nd, 1st, and 4th places, and they are all wrong. So that means the number 1 must be in the 3rd place. So we have determined the right place for number 1. And similarly, based on the 1st, 3rd, and 4th combinations, the number 8 has appeared at the 3rd, 4th, and 2nd places, and they are all incorrect. So that means the number 8 must go to the 1st place. Okay, so the PIN must be 8 something, 1 something. And next, by checking the 1st and the 2nd combinations, the number 7 has appeared at the 4th and 3rd places, and they are all incorrect. And the 1st place has already been taken by number 8. So that means the number 7 has to go to the 2nd place. And the last, the number 2 has to go to the 4th place. So that means the correct PIN for this mobile is 8712. So this question is not too hard, and we can work it out through 2 steps. The first step, we will determine what the 4 correct numbers are, and in second step, we can determine their correct places. So such logic deduction skill is very important in our real life. So if you love detective stories, you will see lots of examples of application of it. Thank you very much.